Hello everyone, in this video we are going to understand unbalanced assignment problem. Now look at the problem. There are 5 rows 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and there are 4 columns 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore number of rows are 5 and number of columns are 4. Here in this problem number of rows are not equal to number of columns, therefore we call it an unbalanced assignment problem. Now in unbalanced assignment problem, first step is convert this unbalanced assignment problem into the balanced assignment problem. Therefore here we need to add a one dummy column. After adding this dummy column T5, we will get this matrix. All the elements in the dummy columns are 0. Now again calculate the number of rows and number of column. Now number of rows are equal to number of column. Therefore we can say that we have converted unbalanced problem into the balanced problem. Now we will follow our routine process of assignment problem. Step 1 row reduction, step 2 column reduction, and then draw the number of lines to cover all the 0. First step is the row reduction. In the row reduction, identify the smallest element and subtract that smallest element from the element of the row. 50 minus 0, 40 minus 0, 50 minus 0 and 20 minus 0. We will get the same row. In the second row also, the smallest element is the 0. Suppose if we subtract this 0 from the element of this row, then we will get the same row. In the third row also smallest element is the 0. In the fourth row the smallest element is 0 and in the fifth row also smallest element is the 0. If we subtract this smallest element from the element of the row, then we will get the same row. Therefore after row reduction we will get the same matrix. The second step is column reduction. Now in the column reduction, identify the smallest element in the column. The smallest element is the 10 and subtract this 10 from the element of the column. 50 minus 10, 40 minus 10, 60 minus 10, 30 minus 10 and 10 minus 10. In the second column, smallest element is the 20. Subtract this 20 from the element of the T2 column. 40 minus 20, 30 minus 20, 20 minus 20, 30 minus 20 and 20 minus 20. In the third column, smallest element is the 10. Subtract this 10 from the element of the T3 column. 50 minus 10, 40 minus 10, 30 minus 10, 20 minus 10 and 10 minus 10. In T4, the smallest element is the 20. Subtract this 20 from the element 20 minus 20, 30 minus 20, 20 minus 20, 30 minus 20 and 30 minus 20. In the last column, smallest element is the 0. If we subtract 0 from the 0, then we will get the same column. After column reduction and row reduction, we will get this matrix. First step was row reduction. Second step was column reduction. Now we will draw the minimum number of line to cover all the zeros of the matrix. Now for that purpose, we will follow the row scanning and column scanning. First in the row scanning, we will start with the first row. Suppose if the row contain exactly 1 0, then mark round around it and draw the vertical line passing through that 0, otherwise skip the row. For the row scanning, we will start with the first row. Now in the first row there are 2 0, therefore as per our rule we will skip this row. In the second row there is only 1 0, therefore we will mark square around it and we will draw the vertical line. In the third row there are 3 0, therefore again we will skip this line. In the fourth row there is no 0, this 1 0 is deleted, and in the last row there are 3 0, therefore we will skip this line. After row scanning, now we will go for the column scanning. Now in the column scanning again we will start with the first column. Suppose if there is only 1 0, then we will mark square around it and we will draw the horizontal line passing through that 0, otherwise we will skip the column. Now look at the first column, only 1 0 is there, therefore we will mark square and we will draw the horizontal line. Look at the second column, only 1 0 is there, this 0 is deleted, therefore we will mark square and we will draw the horizontal line. In third column, this 0 is deleted, therefore there is no any 0. In fourth column, only 1 0 is there, therefore we will mark square and we will draw the horizontal line passing through this 0. And this fifth column is also deleted. In the next step, first of all count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number of lines are equal to 4 and order of the matrix is 5 by 5. Therefore we can say that number of lines is not equal to the order of matrix. Therefore here we cannot get the optimal solution. Moving further, first of all identify the uncovered element 30, 10, 30, 10, 20, 10, 10, 10. These all are the uncovered element and intersection elements is this 0, this 0 and this 0. In the next step, we will identify the smallest element in the uncovered element. Now look at the uncovered element. The smallest element in the uncovered element is the 10. After this 10, subtract this 10 from uncovered elements, means 30 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 30 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 20 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 10 minus 10, and add this 10 at the intersection element 0 plus 10, 0 plus 10 and 0 plus 10. After this calculation, we will have this matrix. Again, we will draw the minimum number of lines to cover all the 0 of the matrix. Now for that purpose, again we will follow the row scanning and column scanning. In the row scanning, we will start from the first row. If row contain exactly 1 0, then we will mark square around it and draw the vertical line passing through that 0. Otherwise, we will skip the row. The first row, there are 2 0, therefore according to our rule, we will skip the first row. In the second row, there are 2 0, again we will skip the second row. In the third row, there is 1 0, therefore we will mark square around it and we will draw the vertical line. In the fourth row, 2 zeros are there, therefore we will skip this line, therefore we will skip this row, and in the last row there are 2 0, therefore we will skip this row. After the row scanning, now we will go for the column scanning. For the column scanning, we will start from the first column. If the column contain exactly 1 0, then we mark square around it and draw the horizontal line passing through that 0. Otherwise, we will skip the column. Now look at the first column. In the first column, there is exactly 1 0. Mark square around it and draw the horizontal line. Look at the second column is deleted. In the third column, only 1 0 is there. This 0 is deleted. Therefore, mark square and draw the horizontal line. In the fourth column, only 1 0 is there, therefore mark the square and draw the horizontal line. And in the last column, only 1 0 is there, these 2 zeros are deleted, therefore mark the square and draw the horizontal line. After this, count the number of lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of lines are 5 and order of the matrix is 5 by 5 means 5. Therefore, here we can say that number of lines is equal to order of the matrix. Now here we can get the optimal solution. Therefore, finally we can say that task T4 is assigned to O1, task T5 is assigned to O2, task T2 is assigned to O3, task T3 is assigned to O4 and task T1 is assigned to O5. Therefore, look at our final answer. The assigned task T4 is assigned to O1, T5 is assigned to O2, T2 is assigned to O3, T3 is assigned to O4, T1 is assigned to O5. And we have extracted this number from the balance assignment problem. Now look at this matrix. This was the first step of the assignment problem. We have converted the unbalanced assignment problem to the balanced assignment problem. O1 T4 value is 20. We have written here 20. O2 T5 value is equal to 0. O2 T5 value is equal to 0. We have written 0. O3 T2 value is equal to 20. O4 T3 value is equal to 20. O5 T1 value is equal to 10. Our total summation is the 70. Therefore, this is the final answer of this assignment problem.